Team Mom, Team Mom, Team Mom.
I'm not the Team Mom.
Team Mom, Team Mom, Team Mom.
Ray, why are you chanting?
It is a catchy chant.
Team.
One more chant and no slushies after practice.
He's a lumberjack, he's okay. He sits all night and he works all day.
I cut down trees, I skip and jump. I like to press wildflowers. I put on women's clothing and hang around in bars.
This woman is my destiny, she said.
Ooh, shut up. Shut up.
Light it up, now I'm burning. Feel the rush of adrenaline. We are young, we are strong, we will rise. 'Cause I'm back from the dead tonight. To the floor, hit the red line. Flying high at the speed of light. For the love, for the life, for the fight. 'Cause I'm back from the dead tonight. Back from the dead tonight. Dead tonight. Back from the dead tonight. Dead tonight. Back from the dead tonight.
Every single one of us wakes up in the morning and asks ourselves this question: how can I make the world a better place? However, not many of us take the steps necessary to actually do so. What's so amazing about
Terezi,
is not only did he volunteer to murder
Fridgestuck.
out of the goodness of his heart, he also did so knowing that he would not be able to see the life leave their stupid, godless eyes. For he was blind, and too small to see that high up anyway.
Terezi,
Did what he did for purely altruistic reasons, and never once thought about himself during his ill-fated quest. And for that reason,
Terezi,
will always have a special place in my heart.
We fought with him. Me, I died for him. Me, I trusted him.
Me, I loved him.
And me, I'm the damn fool that shot him. She blinded me with silence.
Aquarius! Oh my gosh! That's another good cutoff gag, dang it.
I used to be an adventurer like you, and I took an arrow in the knee.
And isn't it ironic? Don't you think?
Stop, don't be rude.
You really love your brother, huh?
What do you mean? Of course I do. It's normal.
Mabel's not here. She's in Sweater Town. Are you some sort of love expert?
No, but I have friends who are.
They're trolls.
Raise your weapon, sing a song. War is here. We waited so long. Prepare.
Then we get a cool fact. Jake is their father. But this isn't surprising. Jake is everyone's father. Jake is your father.
There's a good boy.
Hey.
Hey, now that's a boy that I could get into.
That's a perfect boy.
Let me see this perfect boy. Justin's special boy.
My two special boys.
Can you move faster? My perfect boy.
Our woman, our queen, if she breathes, she's a god!
Happy birthday, John. Cake? Ugh. Yeah, thanks. Nana, what does this say? Cue Blue's Clues.
Don't you do it.
Here's the mail, it never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I wanna wail. Mail!
I try to convince her to act like a respectable human being, and she does this to spite me.
Hey, how y'all? Get your fucking dog, bitch! It don't bite. Yes, it do! Get the... Use conditioner, they said. It's a good idea, they said.
Look at how I woke up! What the?
I'm scared, Dad.
Do you trust me, son?
Yes.
Come on, son. Rule number 1, never trust anybody.
This is how to be a heartbreaker.
Hey there! I'm the lovable character from your favorite story.
Oh boy!
Yup. It'd be a shame if someone were to write dark fan fiction about you.
What? Why? No.
No!
Oh, yeah.
No! Hey, how have you been liking my, I'm just gonna, you know.
I kind of want short hair. Don't do it, you'll regret it. Are you me? From the future, yeah. Could you fix middle school for us? I only got one chance.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
2 shots of vodka, then 1.
Granny, make me some pie!
You've never done anything for me, you little loser.
Please.
All you do is sit around my house, eating my food and using my electricity.
Yeah, that's what grannies are for.
No, grannies are for poning news.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Granny, tell me something. Why do you hate me so much? Why are you treating me like this?
I just think you suck.
Candy canes, lick 'em in a spear and kill your enemy. Stab, 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 stab.
Hey there. Consider becoming a patron, just like the phenomenal Bleed Red, Alexander Madeline, Uranium Coffee, Ryan Nelson, and Runda.